How to unprivate your TikTok account. So if your TikTok account is set to private, so that no one will be able to send you a message, follow you without approval, or duet and stitches your TikTok video, and I want to unprivate it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to unprivate your TikTok account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. This could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Once opened it, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then on the profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Here you have three options available like TikTok Studio, My QR code, and Settings and Privacy. Then go ahead and click on your TikTok Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, locate Privacy and click on it. Then here, you have Private Account Enable. Now to unprivate your TikTok account, disable this. Once toggle that off, you see what that says switch to public account. Then go ahead and click on the switch button and hang on. Then after a couple of seconds, you see your private account disabled and public account enabled. So that is basically how to unprivate your TikTok account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.